ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين.
Among the people are those who say, "We believe in God and in the last day," but they are not believers.
يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
They seek to deceive God and those who believe, but they deceive none but themselves, though they are not aware.
في قلوبهم مرض فزادهم الله مرضا ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون.
In their hearts is sickness, and God has increased their sickness. They will have a painful punishment because of their denial.
وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون.
And when it is said to them, "Do not make trouble on earth," they say, "We are only reformers."
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
In fact, they are the troublemakers, but they are not aware.
وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون.
And when it is said to them, "Believe as the people have believed," they say, "Shall we believe as the fools have believed?" In fact, it is they who are the fools, but they do not know.
وإذا لقوا الذين آمنوا قالوا آمنا وإذا خلوا إلى شياطينهم قالوا إنا معكم إنما نحن مستهزئون.
And when they come across those who believe, they say, "We believe," but when they are alone with their devils, they say, "We are with you, we were only ridiculing."
الله يستهزئ بهم ويمدهم في طغيانهم يعمهون.
It is God who ridicules them, and leaves them bewildered in their transgression.
أولئك الذين اشتروا الضلالة بالهدى فما ربحت تجارتهم وما كانوا مهتدين.
Those are they who have bartered error for guidance, but their trade does not profit them, and they are not guided.
مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون.
Their likeness is that of a person who kindled a fire. When it illuminated all around him, God took away their light, and left them in darkness, unable to see.
صم بكم عمي فهم لا يرجعون.
Deaf, dumb, blind. They will not return.
أو كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين.
Or like a cloud burst from the sky, in which is darkness, and thunder, and lightning. They press their fingers into their ears from the thunderbolts, in fear of death. But God surrounds the disbelievers.
يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم كلما أضاء لهم مشوا فيه وإذا أظلم عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
The lightning almost snatches their sight away. Whenever it illuminates for them, they walk in it, but when it grows dark over them, they stand still. Had God willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. God is capable of everything.